Ace 1. 34 number, 7, 12, 19, connecting A with I. 3. Ace 3. 56, creating Venus. The B, Venus is number 81. Venus is number 81. A and H, heaven of angels. She's number 3. She gets 2 that surrounds 1 between her legs. 1 is the 7th gate. The other one is the passage for F. 5 and 56. 61, the light. She gets 2 and 30. 9 and 42. 51, area 51, the joint between the V of life. Before you get to the end circle where the I is present, because I, numerological value 42, simple note. 5, numerological value 42, both 6 and 8, 48, 62, 622, 6, 59, 59, 95, the relativity of Einstein. 7, 2, 6, 6. 7 and 2 is 9, 6 and 6 is 12, 21, 12, 21. We always count the number that's missing because that's the number that links the two sides of the oceans, the two sides of the Mississippi, of every single river, the river that's between two islands. Why? Because everything's an island, otherwise there's no bridge. Is there a bridge in the place that you live? Then it's an island. Mercury, 103, 163, bringing us the light of Moses. Venus, 81, bringing us the heaven angels. Earth, 52, making it the passage between Jupiter and Venus. Piano notes, we find B2 under I and H, A1, linking to G. The first time G comes in, G begins to link with every single one of these. It's ABC to G, and then we link all the way to C, and then it's D. And then it's G backwards, GF, GE, GD, and then GC, it's GA, GB, GC, GD. And then we go forward, 15, 13, FM, MF, FM. The FM radio dial, look at the numbers, we get the AC energy coming out of 56, again, Earth and Venus. 14, G the gateway, G and N, 21, U says gun. This is the 3.75 of all relationships. O backwards and O forward, 29 and 16, bring me the light of pi. This is all the numbers in pi right here on the piano, meeting at GA, which is H. And if you say game, it says the sun ace of God's angels. Notation. The queen is 17, comes in at C3, total of 20. R becomes RD, the third row that we come into, the angel heavens of the delta angels. Don't forget, we have the Amen who come into life as the seamen, who break into the G-men, who become the demons. And then we have the Hymen of H and I of L. The L-men is the mother. L-men, she leads. L means men, is not men, but in French means she leads. So piano, planets, numbers, and colors bring the basic numerological values that you can have. If you want to go through them again, we will. 1 equals 34 equals 7 and 12. 2 equals 56 equals 2 and 30. 2 equals 56 equals 58. Sorry, that's a mistake up there. That was 3 up there. This is 2. This is 58, which equals to 40 and 13. The bar mitzvah of the blue world. 40 is fire. 3 equals 56, which is 11 and 30. 4 equals 60. This is the orange sun. When you mix 1, 3, and 5, you say ace. 1 becomes 7. 3 becomes 2. 5 becomes 6. 7, 2, 6. The dog gate. Why is it the dog gate? It just is. It's a spirit. It's the gate of 76. How do we get this gate of 76? Because 1 goes between 3, which is 2, and 6, which is 5. 2 and 5. 2 equals to 3. Excuse me, 3. Sorry. 3, because it's ACE is 1, 3, and 5. This one's 7. 3 is 2. 7 and 2. 7 by 2. 72 times 5 is 360 degrees. 5 and 2 is the B letter, which takes it to the second level. This is empty. We come down from here, we go up to here, we come down to here. But we need Y and Y. Y, we turn the Y the other way. We use part of this cube area, and then we create another cube area, and we use part here. We only use parts of the cubes, not all of them. There'll be a corner missing in each one. Just like Chaldean shows, there is no number 9 corner. So therefore, there's no number 7. In one of every cube, there's one other missing. The same for 8. Here's 8. 1, 2, 3 connect to 6. Why is it the 6? Because 1, 2, 3 connects to, 1, 2, 3 connects to 8. 1, 2, 3 connects to 8. This will make your 6 of 8. One of each side will be left out. There's one of each side left on each side, and therefore Chaldean is the only numerological account that I understand from that. So we're going to go on. 4 is 60. 5 is 42. 6 is 52. 52, it's 10 more than 4. It's 10 more. Hello. 5 is 42. 6 is 52. They connect together. The 10 difference is the link between 1 and 9. A and I, artificial intelligence that comes injected into us. We are born with a motherboard that is full of information, but it's been frozen inside of the bridge. Over here is 7 equals 65. 3 and 7 are reverse of each other. 5 and 9 are the exact identical numbers of 42. 8 equals 49. 7 times 7, the 7th gate inside H. Because the 7th gate, you need H to get into the 9th area, the birth. And then 10 is 39, and then 1 again, 10, 1, 2. Since 10 and 1 meet together, 39 and 34 equals 73, and that's Nibiru, 101, Nibiru's numbers. Inside of Mercury, it's 103, becomes 163, 365 laws to 248, 3, 6, and 5 to 248, but you must understand that inside of swastika, the direction is 365, 47, and then 365, 48. These two link inside the W. The cube that's missing is your 48. 347, 48. Inside of Earth, number 52. The same number we get with B Venus. 52. 52 Earth and 91 Spirit is a difference of 29, 52, 62, 72, 81, 29. We missed 29 here. Venus 81, 52, 29 is the birth that links. 39 is 10, is the connection of artificial intelligence. 52 and 39 is 91, 7 by 13. We link the ace card all the way up to the king. We have crowned ourselves. Put a 14 on top of the crown at 91. We get 105. The hand of God is right here. How perfect does that hand fit? Doesn't matter what I do, it fits. Jupiter is Mars. 51, area 51, 52 Earth, 51 Mars, 103 Mercury. Jupiter, 99, add 6, make it 105, make it 165. Again, 165, we connect Venus. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 is 6 and 5, connecting the federation between Jupiter and F, the 6th planet, Saturn. Saturn is 93, because of the T letter, we make it 99, relates to Jupiter, their connection. One is the light, one is the current that brings, or the passage that brings within the light. Uranus is number 94. 2 times 47, or 49 reverse, which is 7 times 7, and is a representation of 8, or H. Neptune is 95. The theory of relativity, Einstein, 1776. The moon, and 10, because when you do this, it comes the same number as Einstein. N-E, P-T-U-N-E. Pluto is number 84. 42 and 42, between 5 and 9. These are all the ace cards that all represent one heart of this. These are all the ace cards. This is the Y connection. You put the 7th gate, you get X and Y. Now, P-L-U-T-O, N-E-P-T-U-N-E, U-R-A-N-U-S, S-A-T-U-U-R, J-U, M-E-R-C-U, V-E-N-U. 3 and 4th planet, no U, no U. Time, heaven, spirit, angel, reserve. M is what connects the sides. Left side, 1V1, standing for the Federation. If it stands for one side of the Federation, good and bad. They can stand with the same number. You can't find them because of, what do you call that? Okay, we'll leave that out. So we notice that Earth does not have it. The other thing between Earth and Mars, okay, is it's gold, because E and A come together, which is 51, the first two parts of Mars. And the last three parts of Mars, ARS, is inside R. A and R, 1 and 18 equals to 19S. R equals R, take away 5 from R, or the letter ME equals to 135, equals to the letter R, not 18. Why? Because M is the letter 13, and E is 5, equals to 18, the letter R. We get Mars inside Earth. We remove the R, we remove the A, we leave the MS. 13 and 19, 32, we got a gateway. We remove the we remove the R, and we remove the A, we have ETH. We have TH for time heaven, electronic transfer time heaven, 28 and 5, 33. 33, the 2 record players, 32, the passageway in between. And we do that with all the planets. 3 and 4 is 7. 3 and 4 equals to 1. If this is not a numerological connected system, that what is? If you think that we have 9 planets and 10 fingers and everything seems to work out, what do you think? In history of evolution, everything was perfect? Come on, please. Raphael, 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Do you want me to show you how creation was made? It was made like this. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. That's the way creation was made, Raphael, on a Sunday night. And the reason I did all these video todays is because Einstein turned 1 day old from yesterday to today, 100, and if I can remember, 36 years ago, which is the number of P, the number of the pilot light, and guess what? Mercury is rising. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for your time.